Paro-paro, G. Paro-paro, G.
Tama talaga, ano ko eh. Normal ba? Wala. Sabayan natin yung uniform.
Next team, Appreciation. Next team from Steel Department.
Lut, ikaw udah lut. Kaya
Lagi na kami.
Next team from Stingers.
Ito kami ah. Dami oh. Dami ng position. Sambia.
Aywa.
Next team, People Department.
Aywa, grabe oh. Grabe mga fighters oh.
Then the next team with the news, EWS. From Fire Department. Next team, Engineering Department. Next team, Coding and Galvanizing. Next team, from Warehouse. From Warehouse. The last team with the news from Fire Department. Pasok na po na, pasok na. The team came from Fire A Department.
Dito ka naman.
Dito kayo. Next team from
Okay.
Fire B.
Aywa. Lut.
Kulotski. Yun oh.
Last team from Mechanical Department.
Aywa. Kaya nakulit ba yan? Shout out. Ikot mo ako doon. Paro-paro, G.
Tama pala yung pwesto natin ah.
Aywa.
Mulagi ang buta lang. Yung sa banda na magbayad. Lagi.
Loya.
Inuhanin mo ba na mo?
Good evening, everyone. Let us welcome everyone for our 2024 Winter Basketball Tournament here at DDWD. Please, about face all the players, you can take one photos with the banner.
Natay.
Word! Itagi na lahi.
Naparapin niya.
Ah, yun ba?
Compress po tayo ate, compress para papasok po tayo sa camera.
Biglaan ko doon. Oo. Agree mo po. Paglaban mo kahit talo tayo. Huwag ganun.
Sige po kayo lahat dito. 1, 2.
Kukunin pa namin yan eh.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Saba po. 1, 2, 3.
Yes. Balik ka naman kayo. Palala ko sa video.
Okay, everybody, all the teams that have muses, teams with muse, can you bring your muse with your escort here in front? Please bring the muse with escort here in front. Please cooperate everybody, it's already late. Makikisuyo na po ako, lahat po ng team na may muse, makikisuyo na po, escortan niyo po dito sa harap.
Dito po sa may committee.
Doon po na sa green line po, green line, sa gray.
Nasaan po ang escort nito? Kailangan po ng escort. Escort po please. Huwag mo lang hindi patagalin.
Bawal yung tugaw.
Biglaan talaga.
Ano mo yung mga nararamdaman namin dito?
Hindi sinasadya. Biglaan.
Yung muse po natin ngayon is from EWS, one is from Fire A, and one is from Fire B. Then, warehouse and... Sorry. Okay, dun po sa pag-select po natin ng message news, magkakaroon po tayo ng short ramp. Then, magpapaalala po tayo. Konting details lang po sa bawat isa para makilala po kayo ng lahat. Okay po? Yung mga players po, makikiusog po ako paatras. Bigyan po natin ng magandang runway yung ating mga nagkakanta ang pinipili ngayong gabi. Okay po, yung may mga mission escort po, lakad po tayo ng konti sa bandang gitna. Hindi na po natin kailangan ng talent today. Harap po tayo dito sa judge. Ito po yung mga judge natin ngayong gabi. So mag-start po tayo ng 1 by 1. Walk. Pinakamagandang lakad po. Tapos pagbalik po natin sa gitna, magpakilala lang po tayo. Kung anong details po, kung pwedeng ibigay yung mobile number, wala pong problema. Okay po? Okay, we will start on the team Green EWS. Can you do the walk, please?
Wala pa kayo eh. Ano yun eh? Legal! Wala pa! Nakasayaw na yan!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi po sa mga taga-Dry Docks. Ako po si John Vary, representing ng EWS Electrical. Go fight, fight, fight!
Next from Fire A.
si Shay Navales and representing Fire Team A.
Next from Fire Team B.
This is DJ Jorbs in the mix.
Hi everyone, good evening. By the way, I'm Roslyn, representing Fire Team B.
Thank you. Now the last news from the team of Warehouse. Sigat po yung miss natin from Warehouse ah.
Magandang gabi. Ako po si Belinda ng Warehouse. Presenting Warehouse.
Thank you everyone. Okay, for the next step, I will call all the teams one by one. We need to present your uniform in the middle, one by one. Okay?
Hoy, Edmar, ano gagawin mo?
Oh, by team, by team, by team. May I call the team GOS, Global Offshore.
Okay, punta na po ang from GOS. Pumunta po tayo dito sa gitna.
All team po, pakita
Lahat po
natin
ng
yung uniform
players
natin.
ng Team GOS.
Sa middle po, sa middle.
Dito po tayo sa middle, sa may bilog.
Ano, sasayaw daw yan. Sasayaw daw yan.
Okay, next department po.
Next department, safety department.
From Safety Department. Please come here in the middle. Middle po, middle.
Okay po, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Aywa. Isa pa.
Okay po.
One.
Next team from Publication.
Okay, from Publication Department. Punta po tayo dito sa middle. Sa gitna po tayo, sa gitna. Yung mga maliliit po sa una na lang para makita kayo.
Next.
Hey, next.
Next from Steel Department.
Steel Department po. Next.
Dikit-dikit po kayo, dikit-dikit po. Asan po yung banner?
Ay, yung best uniform, hindi ko alam. Ano maging best uniform dyan?
1, 2, 3. Hindi po kayo kita, nasa likod ha. 1, 2, 3.
Next team from Stagers.
Aywa. Stagers, the strong team, the strongest.
Tingin po dito. Hindi po makikita yung maliliit ha. Lapit po dito yung maliliit sa unahan po. Sir, hindi kayo kita dyan.
Yan.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay na
Oh,
po.
pitsi dito niya.
Next team from People's Department.
People's Department. Aywa.
Next team from EWS.
Ha?
Please bring your news. Pakisama po ng news nyo ng EWS.
Ah, Muse. Ay, kasali pala ako dyan eh.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Aywa.
Next from Pipe Department.
Oh, yung maliliit po sa unahan. Hindi po kayo makikita.
Ayaw ko.
Hindi po kita.
Aywa.
1,
Five Department.
Next from Engineering Department. Next, coating and galvanizing. Tingin po tayo sa camera pa natin, sa camera. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Next team from warehouse.
Yan ang sofa.
Next team from fire.
Dalawang views ha.
Okay, next team from mechanical department. Okay, ito po ang team Sepak Takraw kasi tatatlo sila. Wait lang po tayo. Last team po is IMDD. Where's the IMDD?
Oo, depending champion yan.
Okay, hihingin ko lang po yung opinion ng ating Mr. Guest para po sa best in news and best in uniform. Then, all captain balls, I need you in the front of the table. We will do the dollars for to play this night. We have 2 games tonight. Okay? Then, Mr. Daniel, I will give you the mic. Can you do some speech?
Welcome everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. I wish everybody a good evening and good play and comradeship, friendship. I want all the players to do their best in the coming competition matches, the league matches, and let the best team win the match. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Daniel. In behalf of Mr. Erwin, I would like to call Mr. Alvin to give some speech here.
Good evening everyone. On behalf of Mr. Erwin, welcome to the 2024 DDW Basketball Tournament. And we just want to emphasize that this is for everyone's enjoyment. But nevertheless, let's make sure that everyone is safe. If you are not feeling well, okay, then our safety team is here to assist you for during the course of the game. So, welcome and enjoy the game. Thank you.
Okay, thank you everybody. Then we will wait to decide these 3 guests for choosing our best in uniform and best news. Okay? Okay. May I call the 4 muses here in front? May I call?
All mute.
Hello. All muses, please come here in front. The 4 muses, please come here. This one from AWS, from Fire B, Fire A,
Sumali ka ba talaga?
Impromptu.
Okay, AWS, Fire, and Warehouse. Okay, thank you ladies. Now the judges, you know from which department. And we will call who is the winner of Best in News. Okay?
Banday, hoy.
Lahat po ng captain ball, isa-isa lang para po sa magpipilian ng Best in Uniform, makikisuyo na. Gabi na po tayo.
Sabi ko, kala ko dito ka.
Sige na po, GOS, Safety, IMDD. Gilbert, come, Gilbert. Dito lang po tayo, sir. Dito tayo marap. Sino po yung pipili? Sino yung pipili? Don't choose me. Okay, Captain Ball, please, pakibilisan lang po. Para po makapaglaro na tayo. All teams is here? Okay, mechanical.
Ay, sorry.
Designs, yeah. First from IMDD, fabrication, safety, stagers, global offshore, steel, engineering, coating and galvanizing, pipe shop, electrical department, people's department, Warehouse, Fire and Mechanical. Okay? Okay. Thank you.
Okay na po.
Okay. Announce mo na yung best in uniform stagers. Best in uniform mo na.
300 yan.
Relax ka lang dyan.
Okay, sino po ba sa tingin nyo ang manalo sa best in uniform natin? Okay, tatawagin ko na po ang best in uniform natin from the staging department. Please come in front. Please come. Punta po kayo dito ulit sa gitna at pipicturean po natin kayo with your trophy.
Ayun, nakasilat to.
Sama kayo, sir.
Nakasilat.
Doon lang po ulit tayo sa bilog.
Sa bilog.
Dito po tayo lahat. Formation tayo, formation. Sige po, sige po. Upo yung maliliit sa harapan.
Okay po, yung maliliit po para makita, hindi makita.
Okay, sa mga miss po natin, sino po ba sa tingin nyo? Okay po, ang best in news natin from Fire Department, Fire B. Yung representative po ng Fire B Department. Nanalo po siya ng trophy plus voucher po. May voucher po siya na makukuha. And meron pa po siyang bouquet of flowers. Picture lang po tayo sa gitna. Picture po tayo sa gitna. Picture po tayo.
Budots! Budots!
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Doon po sana sa bracket B, Engineering, IMDD, CNG, Captain Ball po, Captain Ball. Safety, IMDD, CNG, Engineering. Then, Engineering. Safety, safety. Kasi po, yung maglalaro, nanalo po is best in uniform is stagers, automatic, nilaro yung stagers. First game. Kailangan po ng makakalaban.
Si CNG na. CNG na.
Okay. First game in between CNG and stagers.
Oh! Sino yun?
Hindi, okay lang. Sige lang, okay lang.
Sige, jacket po.
Okay, palipik na lang po. Sige, ganun na rin po yung bin na lang.
Sige, 1, 2, best of 3. Race 2. Ano ba? Tatlo na kami? Race 2. Race 2. Race 2.
Race to, race to. Pick lang po, pick lang, pick lang.
Okay, 1. Makakagin mo ko siya.
So,
Kayo, laro mo.
All 1.
Sino? Wala.
nasa ka na ba?
Ano?
First.
Hello. First game tonight, Engineering versus Stagers.
Dapat di na ako makinig. Kayo, second game.
Laban namin.
Wala na kayo pwedeng kalaban kundi yung sa obligation A. Mastership.
For our second game, Fire B and Fabrication A. Pwede na po mag-warm up yung Stagers and Engineering. Second game.
Wala kang laro ngayon. Ha?
Pwede palang mag-civilian. Sana pinalaban natin ng civilian na suot to.
Picture.
Diba, wala silang uniform.
Okay lang yan, dog.
Wala yung hindi naka-uniform no. Kailan naka-uniform?
Eh, kinausap nila doon eh. Kinausap nila. Siyempre sila doon sa committee.
Captain po tayo ng Stagers and Engineering. May isulat lang po ako ng list of players.